Hey guys, if you are facing slow cellular mobile data speed on your iPhone, so here is the fix guys. So guys, if you are experiencing slow cellular data internet speed on your iPhone, then you have to just follow couple of steps which I will show in this video. After that you can leverage from your side and you can go and try to improve the internet speed on your iPhone. So guys, the first thing is just turn on airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again. Just turn it on and just wait for a few seconds and then turn it on again. So what happened, turn it off and turn it again, it will help refresh your device connection to the cellular network. So after that guys, just go and check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then we will move to the next step to fix this issue. So the next fix is, sometimes what happens, some apps may be using cellular data in the background, so affecting your speeds. Just go to the settings once again and just try to find the cellular. You can just see over here cellular, that nothing but a mobile service. And now guys, just try to come down. You can see that mobile data, that apps by uses. See the list of apps appearing on the screen. So disable the ones which you don't need. So let's example, if you can see over here the Instagram using 68.2 GB. This much of they are killing the some mobile data. So you can just go and see the list of from the apps which you don't want. So you can go and just tap to turn off guys. So this also you can save the mobile data, and also you can improve your mobile data speed. So after this follow this step, you can go again, just check if it is still not fixed. Then this time you just go and restart your iPhone. So in order to restart your iPhone, just press the volume up button and volume down button and press the side button until you see the Apple logo on your screen. So just wait for a moment. Just wait for a moment. So guys, once your iPhone has been restarted successfully, then again go and check if your issue is fixed or not. If it is still not fixed, then this time you will check the SIM card, because sometimes what happen, faulty or damaged SIM card can cause slow data speed. Please remove the SIM card. You can see the SIM card the option. So I'm not going to show you how to remove the SIM card and again how to fit the SIM card. So if you have the pin with your hand, you just go and insert the pin and you can remove the SIM card and you can go and again fit the SIM card, and you can just go and check if your issue is still not fixed. Then this time try reset your network settings. So just go to settings again, and from the settings page guys, just try to find general. You can see over here, just tap on it, and now from the general just try to come down. You can see transfer your reset iPhone, just tap on it, and from here just you can see over here reset, just go and tap on it. And now guys, from here you can see the reset network settings, just tap on it, and from the reset network settings, if you set the passcode, just pass the passcode to unlock. And after that guys, you can see it's showing reset network setting, the red mark. Just go for reset network settings. So this also reset Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings, and VPN and APN settings that you have used before. So guys, slow cellular data internet speed got resolved on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.